search of healthy keto. Today we're cooking beef Stroganoff. If you are guessing it has something to do with Count Stroganov family from 1871 Russia, you guessed it correctly. Even though the recipe existed in Russia long before that, it is slightly different variation. We start with, you can check the recipe in the description. Start with sauteing onion and garlic. Then 1 tablespoon of olive oil and half tablespoon of butter. And a pinch of salt. Sprinkle of thyme. This is optional, you don't have to use that. And a little bit of paprika. Might use also a hint of cayenne pepper if you like spicy. And once you see the onions are slightly golden brown, we add the mushroom in there. Chopped mushroom. Take a few more minutes. We added the sliced mushroom. Another few minutes. Okay, took the mushroom out. Now this is the most important part. You are searing this tenderloin or chuck roast or any beef that's very tender. For this video I'm using a Filet Mignon. You might want to use just chuck roast. And it's very important you don't want to overcook this because that's the most important part of this. So what we do, you pan sear it for about, I would say, a minute on each side. So heat to a max and we'll just let it sear for one side a minute and then turn this over for another minute and we'll take it out. That's it. Okay, that's it. Take it out, let it rest. Okay. And once the beef are removed, add beef broth. About a cup or cup and a half, depending on how much gravy you want to deal with. Pinch of salt. Into a bowl. A teaspoon of tomato paste. Actually 2 teaspoons, about a tablespoon. Worcestershire Sauce. It's about 2 teaspoons. And this will be boiling together. Okay. Make sure the sauce is thickened a bit. We add a 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire Sauce. That goes always nice with any beef. Now we just add the beef in there for about 5 minutes of simmer. And turn the heat low. Cover completely. You might use a saucepan for this, but I just find it convenient for this. Lid seals it very nicely. For 5 minutes, just simmer it. And after that, we'll put the rest of the stuff, which is cream cheese and sour cream, and it will be done. Okay, after 5 minutes you add the cream cheese and then it's melted about a minute. We'll add the sour cream in there cream cheese. And here goes the mushroom, onion, and then just add, once it's heated up, let the sour cream and turn the heat off. Just waiting for the boil. Last step, add the sour cream in, mix it up and turn the heat off. It's about a cup of sour cream. You taste like it. If you need more, just you can add more. But that should be it. Let's cover it for a minute. Here you have it. Beef Stroganoff. Dinner is ready.